Globally awarded as the #1 developers and the biggest landowners of Mumbai are now coming to your region in the heart of Navi Mumbai with their biggest development project, and also they are the first developers to crack Cat A and reach Vashi Sector 9. Godrej Bayview presents Sea Breeze. With a legacy of over 127 years, from being a lawyer turned entrepreneur, Edishar Godrej launched the brand Godrej in 1897. From making India's first homegrown safe to entering the real estate market, and now being the Mumbai's fastest plot development to being Mumbai's the biggest real estate launch, Godrej has set a statement, and no other brand can have a better introduction than this. So this project is situated in the most privileged and well-connected regions of Navi Mumbai, Vashi Sector 9, with Maharashtra's biggest Vashi depot being just at a walking distance, and apart from that, Vashi being a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan clean city and with the most beautiful flamingo parks, this place is a peaceful experience to have in. Talking about the schools now, so Father Agnes is just at a walking distance and St. Lawrence is just 5 to 6 minutes away. D-Marts in Norbit, Raghuleela, Palm Beach, Galleria are just 4 to 5 minutes away. Hospitals like Fortis, Hiranandani and MGM Hospital are just 3 minutes away from the entity. This is also well connected to the national highway and upcoming infrastructures like upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport, upcoming Kharghar Turve Tunnel, and also Atal Setu that connects Navi Mumbai to South Bombay very efficiently. It is also well connected to Thane. So now moving on to the project overview. Talking about the project overview and the lifestyle that you will be getting at Godrej. So this project is spread across a land parcel of around 4.5 acres, and Bayview has 3 towers, out of which 1 and 2 are successfully launched and almost sold out. And now they are coming with their new launched tower, that is Sea Breeze. It is a G+25 story building with 2 and 3 BHKs available. The flats do not look into each other so that you get your maximum privacy. Now, talking about the 4 levels of basement parking, and then we get our ground level. There is this glass facade, double-heighted air-conditioned lobby, and then we have our ground level, podium level and rooftop level amenities, which are divided into active, passive and relaxed amenities. Some of the key amenities that only Godrej is specifically giving you are their glass house cafe, in-house library, in-house spa, in-house creche and centralized badminton and squash court. So these were the amenities. They are also giving you some specifications in their flats. I'll be giving you an overview of that. Let's go. So this is our 3 BHK sample flat with a carpet area of 1268 square feet, and this is my expansive, huge and ultra spacious living room with a living space, just how you can decorate it in the same luxurious way. So this is our couch sitting area with the center table and your beautiful wall unit space with the balcony where you can actually place your 2-seater and coffee table. Now moving on to the dining space, you can actually see how huge the dining space, where you can actually utilize it for your 6 to 8-seater dining set with the wall unit well decorated. Moving on to the kitchen space, and this is our foyer area right from the entrance. This is the entrance of our kitchen, but you can have another entrance for your kitchen because this is a soft wall. You can change it into an open kitchen space, or you can change your entrance with double platform and sufficient space for your compartments. And this is our dry balcony space. Moving on to our first bedroom now. So as you can see, this is our very spacious living room entering into our first bedroom. This is our first bedroom. You may call it your kids bedroom or your guest bedroom, with a queen size bed placed with and French windows with a view of seashore of Vashi Creek, with the wall unit and enough space for your wardrobe. This is our common washroom with, as you can see, amazing Italian tiling and good fittings. With this is a space, door opening to your utility area where you can place your washing machine. Now coming to our first master bedroom. This is our first master bedroom, again very premium and very spacious, with a queen bed with full windows, 2 side tables, enough space for your wardrobes, and right in front we have the unit space. It is very spacious and beautifully decorated, just how you can do it, with again an attached washroom. As you can see, the tilings and fittings are premium and branded. So moving on to our second major master bedroom, which is the most premium and the most spacious master bedroom. Queen size bed yahan par aata hai, and then there is your full length windows with your wall unit space, ultra spacious, for your cupboard and wardrobe space. You can also convert it into a walk-in closet with an attached washroom where you have storage space and again lavish stylings, branded fittings. So the pricing for 2 BHK is starting from 3.6 crore plus taxes, and the pricing for 3 BHK is starting from 4.1 crore plus taxes. They also have a payment plan of 25% and 75% until possession. For booking purposes, please contact us on the given details below.